Hey crafties, that's right. Y'all got a new name in 2026. It's a new year, so you got a new name. You're no longer my friends. You are my crafties. That's right. So let's get into it. Let me ask you something real quick. If you are a crafter making shirts, tumblers, journals, stickers, planners, or custom items, and you're already using Canva, Silhouette Studio, Cricut Design Space, or another design tool, why are you only getting paid once for your designs? That's right. Why? Because today, I want to open your eyes to something that completely changed the way I looked at crafting and business. You don't need new skills, you don't need more time, and you definitely don't need any more equipment. I tell y'all that all the time. Don't buy another piece of equipment. You can only use the same design software you're already using. That's right. You can use the same design software that you're already using to create digital products. And yes, that can help you increase your income and lower your overhead at the same time. Let's talk about it. We're going to talk about it today. Now, don't get me wrong, I love physical products. I sell them, I teach them, I respect the craft. But let's be honest. Physical products comes with material costs, shipping supplies, printing fees, inventory, and your time every single order. That's right. Every sales mean you make it, you pack it, you ship it, and you wait. And then your customer waits 2 to 3 days, sometimes longer. Meanwhile, you're paying UPS, you're paying FedEx, you're paying postage, you're paying overhead, you're paying for supplies. And after all that, your profit can still feel a little tight. Yeah, we're going to be honest about that profit. Now, here's where the mindset shifts happens. That same design you made for a t-shirt, a tumbler, a journal cover, a sticker, a planner can also be sold as a digital product, a printable template, a PNG, a SVG, or a PDF, a customizable file. You've all purchased them from Etsy. You purchase digital products all the time. And here's the part I love. You create it once, you sell it over and over again. No material, no shipping, no inventory. Instead of using UPS and FedEx, you replace them with Gmail and Yahoo. Let that sink in. Your customer purchase, the file is delivered instantly, no waiting, no tracking numbers, no lost packages, and you can be asleep at work with your family and still making sales. That sounds real good, honey, don't it? It does. Now the real benefits, we're going to talk about it. It's not hype. Digital products help you increase income without increasing workload. It helps you decrease overhead costs. It helps you reach customers worldwide. You create constant income streams for yourself, all around doing what you love anyway. Build a business that works with your life. If you like me, my kids play sports. But when I'm in them stands, I hear, I get that notification that I just made a sale on my digital products because I'm not at home. I can't press a shirt right now, right? And the best part, you're not even starting from scratch. If you already design, you already have designs. You already are qualified. This is not about leaving physical products behind. Don't get scared, girl. Stop crying. It's about adding digital products to what you already do. Think of it as giving your craft business options. Yep, options. Now, here's some advice. Here is my advice as someone who's been in this space. The crafter who will win long term are the ones who learn how to repurpose designs. Stop trading only time for money. Build products that don't require their hands every time. Digital products aren't a trend, they're a strategy. And the earlier you start, the faster you'll learn what works. So I'm going to tell you this. I want you to listen to me. This journey is so much easier when you're not doing it alone. That's exactly why I created my Better Together community. It's a space for crafters, designers, creatives, digital product sellers, Inside we share ideas, we break down what's working, what's not. Talk about design questions. We support each other without gatekeeping. We learn how to turn creativity into opportunity for each other. No competition, no judgment, just real support from people who get it. If you're ready to use what you already know, learn how to add digital products and grow smarter, not harder, click the link in the description and join the Better Together community because crafty, your designs deserve more than one paycheck and you don't have to figure it out by yourself. We're all better together. And friend, well, crafty, I gotta get used to that. Forgive me. Anyway, I just want to tell you guys something. If you sell one t-shirt, you can only sell it to one customer. But if you sell one digital product, you can sell that to thousands of customers over and over again. I sold digital products this weekend. I don't even know what video they found that link on. I don't even know. I don't even really care. They saw the video. They liked what they saw. They went in the description and they purchased the bundle. It's helping people. It's changing lives because everybody don't know how to write a prompt. Everybody don't know how to create in Canva, but you, my friend, you do. You can sell one t-shirt one time to one customer, but that same design that you made for that one customer, you can add, I'm going to say 10 to 15 designs and sell it for $9.99 and people will happily purchase it from you. Imagine selling the designs that you're already creating anyway. I'm going to give you the tip of the day, friend, and it's up to you whether you take this tip or not. I hope you do. Go clean up your Canva folder. Go organize your Silhouette Studio folder. Go to organize your Cricut folder. Whatever you have your images at, go organize that stuff. Put them in bundles. Save them as a PNG. Add them to Canva. Get the link. Attach it to your Stand Store, your Gumroad, your PayHip, your Beacon, whatever you want to attach it to. Whatever selling platform you want to use. Create the content around the product and sell the product. You're already making t-shirts. You can literally turn the camera on while you're pressing your t-shirts and just be pressing your t-shirts and put a good caption and a call to action on the screen. And you never have to say a word, but you're marketing your digital products because you already created the design, friend. You're sitting on money. There's money on your laptop. There's money on your desktop. Go organize your Canva folder. Go organize your, picture folder on your computer. Put that stuff in bundles and sell it as a digital product. Join the Better Together community, and we'll show you step by step how to turn your designs into digital products. See you inside, friend.